Hello, Medicologist. You're watching Scientific Medicologist YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to inform you that Arjut has introduced a new scheme, new rules for Arjut students. That is, they introduced biometric for attendance, student attendance in their colleges. Arjut has introduced this for both UG and PG courses. These new rules that every college should adopt a biometric in which every student should attend the classes regularly and press the thumb button in which you need to imprint the thumb impression of. So by doing that should give the attendance. Arjut has introduced these rules. So this is a PDF which is officially released by RGHS. In subject section they have mentioned that this PDF is released for the subject given below, that is all the undergraduate and postgraduate courses are under RGHS are regular full-time courses, and implementation of biometric attendance for staff and students of all the affiliated institutions. With reference to the above subject, it is hereby reiterated that all the UG and PG courses of RGHS are regular full-time courses, and all the head of institutions are very well aware of this fact that RGHS does not have any correspondings or part-time or distance UG PG learning courses under its applications. All of the UG courses and PG courses under RGHS are part-time courses, including BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing are part-time courses, and taking more money from the students and providing part-time UG and PG courses, which is considered as a malpractice. So to avoid that, RGHS has introduced this new rules of biometric update, biometric attendance. So the institutions are offering part-time courses and taking more money from the students and converting full-time courses into part-time courses, and not taking the classes and not forcing the students to come to college and allowing the students to be absent in colleges throughout the year, and they are offering students that they can only come at the examination time, no need to attend the classes, and asking more money from them and adding fake attendance list to the RGHS. So to avoid all of these malpractices, RGHS has introduced this new biometric attendance rule. So they are warning all of the institutions that if any such incidents or any malpractice is detected, if any such incidents is brought to the notice by any of the authorities, that of the institution shall be held solely responsible for such misconduct or misinformation. So those type of misleading students about part-time course, so this type of misleading or misinformation providing to students will be considered as malpractice and should be punishable. Students who are admitted into RGHS courses must meet the requirements for minimum attendance, internal assessments, and other eligibility criteria that have been laid down by RGHS relevant FX bodies. So all of the students who all got admission in RGHS colleges, including BSc Nursing or any other medical related courses, so for that RGHS is informing that all of the students in RGHS should have minimum attendance and all should complete their internal assessments and all other eligible criteria that has released already by RGHS, that should be completed and that should be made, and all the requirements or eligibility criteria for appearing in further or next RGHS examination, the student should meet all of the eligibility criteria which was already mentioned or released by RGHS. Therefore, to monitor all of the students' attendances, it is hereby informed to make necessary arrangements for biometric attendance for all of their faculty and students by June 30, 2024, and to email the complaints report to this email, this RGHS official email. The colleges must be able to submit the biometric attendance information of both teachers and students whenever asked for. So they are in, and in next paragraph they are telling that failing to comply with the aforementioned directions will be viewed seriously and appropriate action will be taken against such colleges in accordance with RGHS rules and regulations. So if any college suspect that they are misleading the student or offering the part-time UG and PG courses under RGHS, they are taken seriously and consider this as a malpractice and according to the rules and regulations of RGHS, and the actions should be taken against that college. RGHS has introduced these rules so that every student should get a better knowledge and get better marks in their studies, and RGHS notices everyone's attendance so that they can assure that every students are attending their colleges and regular classes are going on the colleges. So to surveillance that, RGHS has released this. So I inform all of the students to attend their colleges regularly and stick to the study which is necessary for developing good nursing professionals.